Hey, it's Steven here, and congratulations, you are now in the Programming Foundation training, which is where stuff starts to get really fun. You're going to actually start programming ladder logic in this training, so that is exciting. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, you should know by now that we need to zoom out and give you a good idea of where you are in this big picture and why it's important for becoming a confident PLC programmer. So here's where we are. We're in the foundation portion of the training still, but we're on this last mini phase. And again, building this solid foundation in your understanding of PLC automation is critical to excelling through the rest of the material and ultimately getting to your goal quickly. So we've laid the PLC groundwork, where we learned all about the purpose, function, and even history of PLCs. Next, we talked in detail about PLC hardware and how discrete and analog I/O modules work with the controller and communication modules, and even how PLCs are wired. So now we're ready to get into the foundations of PLC programming. And we'll do this by learning basic ladder logic. So this is a really important step before you get into the software and programming phases of the training. And it will make every future training in this program and other programs a lot easier once you get there. So, in this training, we will first get started with PLC programming software from Rockwell Automation. Next, we'll find out what ladder logic is, how it compares to old relay-based logic, and what are the most important ladder logic instructions. And then we'll learn how to use these most important ladder logic instructions in actual programs. So get ready to do some programming and enjoy this training.